Welcome to Jim's Kitchen and happy Chinese New Year, year of the snake. Well, today I am going to be making orange chicken and waffles. So it's basically chicken and waffles mashed with orange chicken. This will be exciting. Let's do it. Let's make our orange sauce. Grab a small bowl. 3/4 cup of orange juice I'm using freshly squeezed. 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. 1½ tablespoons of rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 2 cloves of minced garlic. ½ tablespoon of ginger, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, some red pepper flakes, and a little orange zest. Whisk that together. I'm going to pour this in a pan and start heating it up. For the waffles, I'm using a cup of bisquick, a ½ cup of milk, 2 eggs, a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and a tablespoon of sesame oil. A teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice, and a 1/4 cup of scallions. That's our waffle mix. Let's start our waffles. They smell great. I've cooked up some chicken strips according to directions, and I'm going to be adding them to that thickening orange sauce and rolling them around. All right, and let's place that chicken on top of those waffles. Yum. Orange chicken and waffles. I think this is a Jim's Kitchen original. Let's try it. Whoa. The orange chicken sauce is great. And the flavors in those waffles, absolutely perfect. It is a wonderful Chinese New Year meal. If I gave this a number out of 10, I'd give it an 8.7. What do you get if you cross a chicken with a snake? A feather boa.